And so I'm here to tell you that I'm the girl who started at 2 minutes at 2 miles per hour one day. And 16 months later, I was doing a 50-mile ultra marathon. Look, because I know you can do it. That's just, hey, I know you can do it. And so I say all that to say that you watching this video is going to be one of the best things you can do to help you really achieve that goal. And today what we're going to be just talking about is what I call my best kept secret, but really it's not a secret because I just never tell anybody, but really my advice for how to move towards your fitness journey, particularly when you're at the beginning stages or you're at the very beginning of your stages. And that fundamentally is just start where you are. Go out, do whatever it is you want to do it for as long as you can, and then be done. And then measure that. Like what, did you walk around the block? Did you walk all the way to the store and back? Did you ride your bike to the community center and back? Whatever that is, just try to figure out where you are, right? And be all right with that. I tell people, look, my story is that I started I could barely walk for 2 minutes at 2 miles per hour on the treadmill. When I first started, that's all I could do. But I'm here to tell you that 16 months later, guess what, y'all? I was doing a 50-mile ultra marathon in 16 months, okay? So obviously, kind of doing what I could and then adding on a little bit more every couple of days or perhaps every week really was the thing that sustained me and allowed me to progress over time. And I think it's important for you to understand that, like, whatever it is you can do, just do that today, right? And then tell yourself, good job. And then also tell yourself, now get back up tomorrow and do it again. Because we got to be consistent. But I'm telling you, by doing what's easy, doing what feels good and natural for you, woo, it's going to be a game changer. Quiet as it's kept, too many people go out and y'all do too much. Y'all doing the mostest. Hello, and you need to stop. Just do what you can, because fundamentally, the research is bearing this out, that when you exercise easy, like an easy pace, rate, speed, what you're doing is you're cutting down on the potential for injuries, and you're cutting down on the injuries which really cause you a lot of pain, right? And so what happens is you wake up the next day and you're out of plan and you hurting and you like, oh, I'm not gonna do this again, and then you can't establish any consistency. But by going easy, you can establish consistency. And what that does, it will increase your strength, it will increase your endurance. And let me say this, y'all. Look, I know a lot of times we think, well, I'm not really going fast. It doesn't seem like I'm going far, or my speed is slow. It doesn't matter. Like, you got to realize that you are in a co-creative process with your body. And so your mind is like, ooh, we going out here to do this 5K. But your body's like, no, we not. You really ain't been doing no exercising. So I don't know how you think I'm supposed to be doing all this. And while our mind can overcome our body will resist and it will respond. So that's where the pain comes in. And so I tell people, like, start where you are. When I started, I could go for 2 minutes at 2 miles per hour. I did that for several days. Then I moved up to 5 minutes, right? Did that for a couple of days. Moved up to 10 minutes. Did that for a couple of days. Increased speed, increased time. And what I found is that I never really suffered from any pain. And also, it felt good to go. It felt good to do it again every day because I didn't feel like, but also I am sweating because it's hot out here. I live in Arizona, y'all. So this sweat is just going to be what it is. Anyways, what I found is that then I had consistency. And with that consistency, what ended up happening is my body was like, okay, I guess this is what you do, Charlotte. After decades of not exercising, I guess you're exercising now. And it extended grace to me. It allowed me to do the things I wanted to do. It allowed me to increase a little bit here and there. It allowed me to go a little bit faster, you know what I mean? Without me having to feel like, or wake up the next morning in a lot of excruciating pain. Now, when I got to do longer runs, much longer runs, yeah, I wake up, there's no doubt I wake up in pain the following morning from longer runs. In fact, I probably had the pain right at the end of the long run or somewhere during it. But anyways, but by then I've increased my strength and my endurance to really contend with that. And so I'm here to tell you that I'm the girl who started at 2 minutes at 2 miles per hour one day. And 16 months later, I was doing a 50-mile ultra marathon. If you're just doing a 5K, 10K half, and a marathon, look, I'm telling you, the secret sauce is to enjoy the journey. Stop trying to get to the destination, but do it with ease, because your body is awesome and it will reward you. But you got to be willing to be on the journey and stop trying to just do the mostest. Stop. Love your body. Your body wants to love you, but y'all got to have a relationship and you got to pay attention to it, and it's going to pay attention to you. So to all my homies out there, congratulations on doing your first 5K, 10K, half, marathon, ultra marathon, whatever the case may be. Look, start where you are, baby. Build up on that. Make sure that it can be a little easy to a little uncomfortable. But when you're doing the mostest, you're going to end up injuring yourself. You're going to end up waking up with a lot of pain, which also really just makes it hard for you to be consistent. And I'm gonna tell you, when you're on these fitness journeys and you're trying to make sure that you move and you're trying to make your body better, you got to be consistent. That's what your body responds to, because it's like, oh, this is the new norm. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Good luck to you. Like I said, congratulations, you done did it. Okay, you've watched this video. You're gonna take it one step at a time, and you're gonna get to that finish line. I already see you there. I already see you wearing your medal and I see you doing what you always knew you could do. And I'm proud of you and I love you. So take good care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace and love, fam. Go conscious gearheads. Yay.